being chosen. This sounds so fulfilling, isn't it? Like you getting chosen by everyone, your friends, your family, your office colleagues, the society, and even if you have a business, your customers. It sounds so fulfilling to be chosen by everyone outside of you. But the real question is, are you choosing yourself? Irrespective of the situations or other people's perspective, are you consciously choosing yourself every day with no terms or conditions or no opinions? That's the life I want to gift you in today's episode of Come Back to Yourself, where you will get to see how you can come more and more closer to yourself by changing the perspective of outside world to the inside world. And let me take you to a situation. Just imagine, like, you love flower bouquets and you decide to buy weekly flower bouquets for yourself. Will you ever try to seek for a person who can buy it for you every week? No, right? Because you already have it. That's the same thing that happens with everything in life. If you do not love yourself, why would others will? If you are not choosing yourself consciously, why would others will? This is as simple as that we are the creator of our external world. If I take you into your past, just look at your own life story and then tell me, whenever you were crazily seeking something, was that easy to get? Or there were many situations when you just got something, the best gift of your life out of your imagination. That is the power of creation. It is not a coincidence, it is your power of creation. It is the power of feeling fulfilled and abundance from within versus the frequency of scarcity. And this might break a big belief here because you were always told it the opposite way. But the truth is that when you try to seek something, when you try to get something, that thing or that success or that goal pushes far away from you. And the real reason is frequency, vibrations, and energy. Let me explain this to you. Whenever you are seeking something, you are actually vibrating in a frequency of scarcity, like you do not have it right now. So now your vibrations are vibrating in a frequency of scarcity, and the goal that you're chasing is abundance. And that is where both the vibrations never align together. So, up to the time when you remain into that scarcity frequency, that abundance frequency will never align and attract each other. And until and unless they attract together, that abundance will never get to enter into your aura, ultimately into your life. That is how it all works from within you. But in reality, when you do not get what you need, you start blaming others, you start complaining, you start finding reasons outside of you. But the actual reason is within you. And the only way to get it all in life is by being fulfilled from within. And fulfillment doesn't mean just showing that you are fulfilled or just pretending. It is by actually being fulfilled, by being satisfied with the life we are in. That is called the abundance life, the frequency of abundance. And when you are living into that abundance life and you are working towards the life you want, that is when you start attracting the right kind of opportunities, right kind of relationships, right kinds of success and opportunities into your life. This works in as simple as this way. But the only thing is that you have to change your life from where you are, from living in scarcity to living in abundance. That would be possible only when you are peaceful from within, when you are fulfilled from within. And that will not come from the life choices and life decisions and the lifestyle that you have today. You have to start changing, start adapting different things into your life. And that will start only by the first step of creating boundaries. Because you have your energy that is creating things. And you might have some low vibration frequencies right now, like shame, guilt, fear, competition, expectation, trying to control. All these are low vibration frequencies that will never attract abundance into your life. But when you switch it to high vibration frequencies of acceptance, neutrality, trust, flow, being love, those are the vibrations that actually attracts the fulfillment and abundance into your life. And we will discuss about it in the next coming episodes. But the real thing, the real way of getting being chosen by everyone around is by choosing ourselves. You have to start choosing yourself every day, and that choice will only come by setting out the right boundaries. Just imagine, anything can come into your aura and get into your energy and simply just drastically impact everything in your life. Do you want that into your life, or you want a life that is fully protected by a layer of boundaries? Those are the boundaries that will define the standards of your life. They usually we call the bare minimums. Those are the bare minimums that decides how protected we are keeping our own energy, and that is when you start working on yourself. And that is what I call beam alignment. When your body, your energy, your emotions, and your mindset, all four are aligned together to take you into the abundance, into the fulfillment frequency, that is when you get to actually vibrate into that energy of creation. Yes, we are all creating our own external world and our own life unconsciously, but if you want to change it to consciousness, that will help you create your own energy of creation towards more fulfillment and abundance. Then you have to start from aligning your body. There are a lot of older things, a lot of past things that are actually detaching and keeping you away from your own body. And until and unless you are choosing your body, until and unless you are not improving anything into your body, that is when you come closer to your body. That doesn't mean you are not improving something. That is fine. Like you want to get to progressing something, that is fine. But there are a lot of childhood traumas when someone in your childhood said something about your body, and you are keeping that into your back of your mind unconsciously, that you are not even aware about right now, but that is playing somewhere, that comes into certain situations. You have to break out all of those. That would be only possible when you consciously start choosing yourself, when you start aligning your body with your energy of being, the energy that you're vibrating in, the vibrations, the low vibrations that are impacting you throughout your body. The fear, the shame, the guilt, the trying to fitting in, the validation, people pleasing, all these are keeping you away from the life of abundance. And you have to allow your emotions to align, because a lot of us are contradicting our own possibilities by controlling our own emotions. You can never control emotion. Whenever you try to control any emotion, it will just burst out. The best way to deal with any emotion is to let it be. Whatever you're feeling into the moment, just let it be. Don't overthink about it. Don't let it sit within you for longer time, but let it sit. If you're feeling anxiety, yes, I'm feeling anxious. Okay, let me do something different. Let me look for some of my hobby. I'm getting stressed. Let me take some break. There is a solution for everything, but only when you start living life into consciousness, when you start choosing yourself. It is not about people do not choose me, or I do not get this, I do not get that. No, it is always about I am being chosen. I am the one who is choosing myself. I am the one who is creating it all for myself. And when you start choosing yourself in different aspects of your life, that is when you become the creator of your own energy. And now that we are so detailed into the creation energy, I'll add the whole series about how you can create your own aura, how you can create your own frequencies, how you can change your vibrations from low vibration to high vibration. And that is coming very soon. So don't forget to hit subscribe to the channel so you get every update, and start choosing yourself from today itself, and comment down in below about how this realization changing is changing your life and how you want to adapt it into your daily life.